life, lost control. In my life, lost control. Spend a lot of time searching for my soul, and I don't know where I'ma go, and I don't know where I'ma go, but I do know one thing, yo. 8 ball in my pocket like I'm shooting pool. 15 selling dope at my motherfucking school. When you come up, remember yo niggas, that's my #1 rule. My little bro, that's my #1 goon. Yeah, that's my #1 goon. Come at us, we gon' look at you like, what the fuck you gonna do? What the fuck you gonna do? And when you leave, we ain't gonna say nothing, cause we know we gon' see you soon. We gon' see you soon. And when we see you, nigga, we gon' let that hammer go boom. Yeah, in my life, I lost control. Spend a lot of time searching for my soul, and I don't know where I'ma go, but I do know one thing, yeah. I know one thing, yeah. Had a hard life, lost it for the night. Nowhere wrong and right, that's my fucking life motto. Nigga wanna see you, he'll see you tomorrow. Nigga wanna play, nigga see your pain, he see your pain and sorrow. But we don't get it, never fucking quit it. When the money's good, yeah, we gon' get it. Nigga wanna talk, but niggas in their feelings. We gon' go, yeah, we steady witness killings. And you seein' what it is. Me and my nigga, we gon' get it with the realest. Yeah, in my life, I lost control, lost control. Spend a lot of time searching for my soul, searching for my soul, searching for my soul. And I don't know where I'ma go, where I'ma go, where I'ma go. But I do know one thing, yo. I do know one thing, yo. 8 ball in my pocket like I'm shooting pool. 15 selling dope at my motherfucking school. Yeah, yeah. When you come up, remember your niggas, that's my #1 rule. Yeah. When you come at us, we gon' look at you like, what the fuck you gonna do? Because that's just who we are. We've been this way since we started. Yeah, my mama dearly departed, she incarcerated. People seeing me, my blades are serrated. I see it like it's painless. Nigga wanna do this, is the game though. Nigga hating on you, it's like an insano in Halo. People coming through, but they lay low. Nigga wanna hate on me, but they never see my pain. I'ma do this, I'ma do that. But you never know where the fuck you gonna go until you gone. So this my #1 rule. Remember your name.